Hi, I'm Doug. I work with 20 great guys in St. Louis at Doug Jenkins Custom Hot Rods, and we're going to do some work for you today on ExpertVillage. So now it's time for the easy part. We had to cut the piece out of the old trunk, grind the weld, drill the welds, sandblast the piece, and now he gets to weld it in. Hold it down with the hammer handle so it gets weld flush to the trunk floor. A little tapping to get the edges so they're just perfectly flat to the trunk floor. He'll continuously weld this all the way around the perimeter of it. It holds a lot of pressure. You really tighten down on the spare tire mount.